Let me tell you something that most consultancies never mention. You go to Russia, classes are in English. That's when you will think language is not a problem. But when you move out of the university, you go to supermarkets, you go to see an actual patient, then you'll realize that nahi, language आनी भी जरूरी है. So in this video, let's talk about कि Russian language कितनी जरूरी है और वो क्यों आनी चाहिए अगर आप रशिया जा रहे हो MBBS करने. The most important reason is patient interaction. अब आप जाओगे हॉस्पिटल में, पेशेंट से बात करोगे, पेशेंट तो लोकल है रशिया का, he will know Russian only. तो आपको रशियन आनी बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि you will not be able to know the symptoms, what the patient is saying and what you are trying to say. So you need to learn Russian in order to interact with the patients. Students who learn Russian, even basic conversational Russian, tend to survive better than the others who don't. Beyond the hospitals, other things as well require Russian. When you go to a supermarket, you see things but you don't understand them. How will you buy them? So you need to know basic Russian to even buy things. When you go to a cafe, you need to order things in Russian. If you know Russian, it gets easy for you. So ये ना छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो लाइफ में बहुत मैटर करती हैं. So you need to know Russian if you want to survive in Russia. And here's what nobody will tell you. Russian people love Indians and they love it when you talk in Russian to them. Their attitude will change. They will get warm towards you. So 6 साल निकालना easy हो जाएगा अगर Russian आती होगी तो. So how do you learn Russian? Number 1, when you're still in India, you can download an app called Duolingo. उस पे आपको सारी Russian सीखने को मिल जाएगी. Even 30 minutes a day is enough. Number 2, when you come to your university, your Russian classes will start in first year. Number 3, practice with local shopkeepers, even the security guards at hostels. They appreciate your efforts and you'll learn it better than any classroom. And here's the beautiful truth. Students who learn Russian, they don't just become better doctors. They become a complete different human being. You will learn Russian and you will learn to survive in a culture that is different from our country. You will become much better than you were before. रशिया आपको सिर्फ एक डिग्री नहीं देता, ये आपको एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव देता है दुनिया को देखने का. If you want to know more about Russia, DM Metsi Education. We will give you a free counseling and also the link is in bio.